4 centuries ago, kings and queens stood right here at Taramati Baradari, listening to the music echo across the arches. It was a stage for art, poetry, and power. What if I told you this quiet revolution is bigger than the steam engines, bigger than the internet, or maybe even bigger than the electricity itself? But today, in the very city of Hyderabad, a different sound is rising. Not music, but the silent hum of AI servers. Taramati Baradari was once a hub for culture. Fast forward to 2025, Hyderabad is now the hub for intelligence itself. AI, semiconductors, cloud computing, all converging here. As of 2025, Hyderabad hosts over 150 AI startups. Nvidia, Microsoft, Qualcomm, global giants are setting up research here. The story isn't local, it's global. This revolution is silent because it doesn't look like smokes and factories. It's invisible. Algorithms in your phone predict what you eat, where you travel, and how much you pay. In August 2025, India announces 10,000 crores push for semiconductor fabs and AI hubs in Telangana. That means Hyderabad is not just using AI, it's building the chips that power it. From places to processors, Hyderabad is becoming the world's AI brain. In the US, AI is reshaping defense and medicine. In China, it's running smart cities and surveillance. But in India's revolution is different. Our advantage is people. 1.4 billion data points, hundreds of languages, diversity that no other AI dataset in the world can match. What trains did to geography, AI is doing to time. A 22 years old coder in Hyderabad can compete with Silicon Valley without even leaving his home. But every revolution has shadows. In Taramati's era, kings controlled art. Today, corporations control algorithms. If AI knows you better than yourself, would you still own your choices? India isn't just catching up, we are leading. ISRO using AI navigation on Chandrayaan 3, DRDO is experimenting with AI-driven tools. Bharat GPT, built with Sarvam AI, is breaking the language barriers for millions. Just this year, India signed a new partnership with the EU and US on the responsible AI governance. For the first time, Hyderabad is not just following the rules, it's helping write them. History reminds us knowledge was once locked in places. Today, AI is democratizing it, but will it empower many or enslave many? From stone arches to silicon chips, from music to machine learning, Hyderabad has always been the stage for revolutions. The silent AI revolution isn't loud, but it's rewriting history. So when the world looks back, will you be reminded as a passive consumer or an active creator of the future? If this made you think deeper, subscribe to my channel because the future is being built right outside your doorsteps.